Hello everyone, and welcome back to TechTide Digital Lifestyle, the channel where we explore the powerful intersection of technology, engineering, and the future of digital innovation. If you're fascinated by how advanced technologies are transforming industries like shipping, automation, and large-scale industrial systems, then you're in the right place. Here on TechTide Digital Lifestyle, we break down complex technologies into practical insights that engineers, students, and technology enthusiasts can easily understand and apply. Today's topic is one that many engineers are beginning to ask about. Is artificial intelligence going to replace the ETO? In modern ships, factories, and industrial plants, artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming part of the operational backbone. Sensors are collecting massive amounts of data. Smart monitoring systems are analyzing equipment performance. And predictive algorithms are now capable of identifying potential failures long before a human engineer even notices the first warning sign. So the big question is this: are we entering a future where ship engine rooms run themselves, with AI monitoring every generator, pump, and electrical system? And if that happens, what will be the role of marine engineers, especially electrical technical officers? In this video, we are going to take a deep dive into the world of industrial AI, explore how smart ships are evolving, and understand whether AI is truly replacing engineers or simply transforming the way we work. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to TechTide Digital Lifestyle, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dive technology content. Let's get started. What is industrial AI? To understand how AI is entering the maritime industry, we first need to understand what industrial AI actually means. When most people hear the term artificial intelligence, they usually think of chatbots, image generators, or recommendation algorithms used by social media platforms. But industrial AI is very different. Industrial AI focuses on machines, physical systems, and large-scale infrastructure. Instead of analyzing text or images, industrial AI analyzes real-world machine data. This data can come from sensors measuring temperature, pressure, vibration, electrical current, voltage levels, fuel consumption, and many other operational parameters. Modern industrial equipment can generate thousands of data points every second. Without advanced analytics, it would be impossible for a human operator to interpret all that information in real time. This is where AI becomes powerful. Machine learning models can analyze historical data patterns and detect subtle changes that may indicate early signs of equipment degradation or operational inefficiency. For example, if a motor normally vibrates within a certain range, but the vibration pattern slowly begins to change over time, an AI system can detect that deviation and flag it as a potential problem. In simple terms, industrial AI acts like an intelligent assistant for engineers, constantly monitoring complex systems and providing insights that help prevent failures and improve efficiency. And this is exactly why the maritime industry is starting to adopt these technologies. Engine rooms full of sensors, modern ships are becoming increasingly connected environments, and one of the biggest reasons for this transformation is the rapid growth of industrial sensors. In traditional engine rooms, engineers relied heavily on manual inspections, gauges, alarms, and scheduled maintenance routines. Equipment would be checked periodically, and maintenance would often follow fixed schedules regardless of the actual condition of the machinery. But today, that approach is gradually changing. Modern vessels are being equipped with large networks of sensors attached to critical equipment such as generators, pumps, compressors, motors, switchboards, and propulsion systems. These sensors continuously monitor parameters like temperature, vibration, oil quality, electrical current, and rotational speed. Instead of relying solely on periodic human inspection, the system collects real-time data and sends it to centralized monitoring platforms. Once this data is collected, AI systems can begin analyzing the information to identify patterns, detect anomalies, and predict future behavior. Imagine a ship engine room where every important machine is constantly reporting its health status. This creates a digital representation of the entire engine room, sometimes referred to as a digital twin. With this level of visibility, engineers can move from reactive maintenance to data-driven decision-making, which dramatically improves safety, reliability, and operational efficiency. And this is where predictive maintenance begins to play a major role. One of the most powerful applications of industrial AI is something called predictive maintenance. Traditionally, maintenance strategies followed two main approaches. The first was reactive maintenance, where equipment was repaired only after it failed. The second was preventive maintenance, where components were replaced at scheduled intervals regardless of their actual condition. Both approaches have limitations. Reactive maintenance can lead to unexpected breakdowns, which are extremely costly and dangerous, especially when operating in the middle of the ocean. Preventive maintenance, on the other hand, may lead to replacing parts that are still perfectly functional, increasing operational costs. Predictive maintenance introduces a smarter approach. By analyzing data from sensors and historical performance records, AI systems can estimate the remaining useful life of components. For example, if a pump bearing begins to show increasing vibration levels combined with rising temperature, the AI model may recognize that pattern as an early indicator of bearing wear. Instead of waiting for the pump to fail, the system can alert engineers weeks in advance. This allows maintenance to be scheduled at the most convenient time, preventing breakdowns while minimizing unnecessary component replacements. Smart engine room monitoring. Another major development in maritime technology is the emergence of smart engine room monitoring systems. In modern vessels, control rooms are becoming increasingly digital. Instead of relying only on analog gauges and local alarms, engineers now have access to sophisticated monitoring platforms that visualize the entire engine room operation. These systems integrate data from multiple subsystems, including generators, propulsion units, fuel management systems, and environmental monitoring equipment. AI-powered dashboards can analyze this data in real time and present engineers with detailed insights about system performance. For example, the system might display generator load distribution, fuel consumption trends, exhaust emissions data, and electrical power quality all in a single interface. If any parameter begins to move outside its optimal range, the system can immediately notify the crew. Some advanced platforms can even recommend corrective actions. Autonomous ships. The next stage in maritime innovation is the concept of autonomous ships. These vessels are designed to operate with minimal human intervention by combining advanced sensors, satellite communication, AI navigation systems, and automated control technologies. One well-known example is the autonomous electric container ship Yara Birkeland, which was developed as a step toward fully automated maritime transport. Projects like this demonstrate how ships can integrate AI systems capable of managing navigation, route optimization, and operational monitoring. Companies such as Rolls-Royce have also been heavily involved in developing intelligent maritime technologies. These systems rely on cameras, radar, LiDAR sensors, and machine learning algorithms to interpret the surrounding environment and make navigation decisions. While fully autonomous ships are still in the early stages of development, the trend toward increased automation and remote monitoring is already becoming a reality. However, even the most advanced autonomous AI vs marine engineer. When people hear about automation and AI entering industrial environments, the first concern that usually arises is job security. Will machines eventually replace human engineers? In reality, the relationship between AI and engineers is not about replacement. Instead, it is about collaboration. Artificial intelligence excels at analyzing large volumes of data and detecting patterns that humans might miss. It can process thousands of sensor readings and instantly compare them with historical performance data. However, AI systems lack the practical experience, intuition, and situational awareness that skilled engineers develop over years of working with complex machinery. When unexpected failures occur, when multiple systems interact in unpredictable ways, or when emergency repairs are required, human expertise becomes absolutely essential. An experienced electrical technical officer understands the behavior of electrical systems, knows how to isolate faults safely, and can adapt to unique situations that may never have been encountered before. AI may provide alerts, recommendations, and diagnostics, but the final decision-making authority still belongs to the engineer. So rather than replacing marine engineers, AI is gradually becoming a powerful tool that enhances their capabilities. Artificial intelligence is extremely powerful when it comes to tasks that involve data analysis, monitoring, and pattern recognition. In modern ships, AI systems can continuously analyze parameters such as vibration levels, electrical current harmonics, temperature fluctuations, and fuel efficiency trends. By comparing real-time data with historical operating conditions, these systems can detect even very subtle anomalies that might otherwise go unnoticed. AI can also automate routine monitoring tasks that previously required constant human attention. For example, it can track generator load balancing, monitor power distribution networks, and analyze engine performance efficiency in real time. Another important capability is anomaly detection. If a piece of equipment begins operating outside its normal parameters, the AI system can immediately generate alerts and provide diagnostic insights. This allows engineers to identify potential problems early and take corrective action before they escalate into major failures. What AI cannot do. While artificial intelligence is extremely good at analyzing data, there are many aspects of engineering work that still require human expertise. AI systems do not possess physical skills. They cannot pick up tools, open electrical panels, replace damaged components, or perform emergency repairs inside a complex engine room environment. They also lack the deep practical intuition that experienced engineers develop through years of troubleshooting real equipment under real operating conditions. For example, when an electrical fault occurs, an ETO must carefully isolate the system, ensure safety procedures are followed, and physically inspect the equipment to determine the root cause of the problem. Sometimes faults involve multiple systems interacting in unexpected ways. Diagnosing these situations often requires creative problem solving and practical knowledge that goes beyond data analysis. Another important factor is safety responsibility. Future marine engineer. As technology evolves, the role of marine engineers is also evolving. Future engineers will still need strong mechanical and electrical knowledge, but they will also require additional skills related to digital systems and advanced automation. Understanding data analytics, industrial networking, control systems, and cybersecurity will become increasingly important. Engineers will spend less time performing routine monitoring tasks and more time interpreting system insights, optimizing performance, and managing complex automated systems. In many ways, the future engineer will become a technology integrator, capable of working at the intersection of traditional engineering and digital intelligence. Failure prediction example. To better understand how AI supports engineers, let's look at a practical example. Imagine a ship generator that normally operates within stable vibration and temperature limits. Over time, sensors begin detecting a small increase in vibration amplitude along with a slight rise in bearing temperature. Individually, these changes might seem insignificant. A human operator might not immediately recognize them as a serious problem. However, the AI monitoring system compares this data with historical patterns from thousands of similar machines. It recognizes that this combination of vibration and temperature changes often appears in the early stages of bearing failure. The system then generates an alert indicating that the bearing may fail within a certain time window, perhaps within the next 10 or 15 days of operation. Final conclusion. As we've seen throughout this deep dive, artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the way industrial systems operate, including the complex environment of ship engine rooms. AI systems are becoming incredibly effective at monitoring equipment, analyzing operational data, predicting failures, and optimizing performance. These technologies will undoubtedly continue to expand in the maritime industry as ships become more connected, more automated, and more intelligent. However, the role of the marine engineer remains essential. AI can provide information and recommendations, but it still depends on skilled professionals to interpret that information, make critical decisions, and carry out the necessary actions. The future engine room will not be run by machines alone. Instead, it will be a collaboration between intelligent systems and highly skilled engineers. In many ways, the engineers who understand AI will become the leaders of this new technological era. And that is exactly the future we explore here on TechTide Digital Lifestyle. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of smart ships and industrial AI, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow engineers and technology enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.